feature of these molds for pouring concrete and building reinforced concrete structures is the significant reduction in shipping costs. On average, you can save from 50 to 55% more than with traditional materials. The unique folding design of the formwork saves space in the back of the truck. Studies have shown that one truck can carry about 7,700 square feet of such blocks. To bring the same amount of traditional materials, you'd need to use at least 3 trucks. This is how the smart choice of materials can reduce the carbon output of any project without compromising the strength and productivity of the work. Spray foam allows you to make quick and high-quality repairs of concrete slab surfaces. It's a 2-component urethane polymer, environmentally friendly and safe for humans. In its original form, the material is a liquid that's easy to transport. When the master applies it under the sunken slabs, the liquid expands, turns into foam and lifts the slab, thereby leveling the surface. After curing, the material hardens, and it's as strong as concrete and cement. The amount of foam can be finely adjusted, which allows you to achieve a better result in each project. Next, we have an American solution for the design of driveways, which will eliminate the need to remove snow forever. The system consists of heating elements, which are placed under the asphalt layer during the construction of the road. They're connected to the power grid and are controlled either remotely or via a unit installed nearby. Either way, the system has enough power in the winter to keep the surface temperature just above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes the snow and ice melt, and afterwards keeps the resulting water from freezing. No repair or construction project is complete without plastering work. The following tool from Germany can make this process easier and save energy and time for the user. This is a powerful and extremely easy to use plastering station. The material is fed to the nozzle by simply turning the lever. The weight of the set is small so that your hands don't get tired while working. 3 handy spray nozzles and a storage case are included. The blocks you see on your screens can be used to build load-bearing walls, interior partitions, as well as exterior and interior walls. Their main advantage is that the finished construction of these blocks doesn't need to be insulated. The cellular structure of the material resists heat transfer perfectly, provides a healthy microclimate due to vapor permeability, as well as high energy efficiency. The shape of the blocks is also worth mentioning. The tongue and groove joints increase the speed of construction, and at the same time reduce mortar consumption by an average of 20 to 30%. Six months ago, a company from China did something that seemed impossible. Its specialists built a 10-story residential building in a total of 28 hours and 45 minutes. They managed to do this by using prefabricated modules, which, after transportation, only had to be stacked on top of each other and then joined together. As you can guess, this technology opens up a lot of new opportunities for the construction industry. In particular, the authors of this system claim that it's suitable for the construction of not only residential buildings, but also hotels, hospitals, and much more. Each module is the size of a standard shipping container, so they can be easily transported anywhere in the world. Modules are mostly made of stainless steel and already have integrated electrical wiring, insulation, glazing, and ventilation systems. Here is another solution to speed up the construction of high-rise buildings. This is a curtain wall system consisting of lightweight composite panels, which are superior to steel and natural wood in their performance characteristics. These panels are produced by an American manufacturer in its own factory, which reduces the carbon footprint of the resulting product. In addition, the panels are quite easy to handle and install. You only need to fix them to the facade. Other notable properties of this system include seismic resistance, fire resistance, resistance to bullets, water, strong winds, and even hurricanes. Barrier-free showers are a popular design solution today. To implement them, however, you must use special drains, like these. This construction from Germany has a minimalist design and is built into the floor between the tiles so that it fits neatly into the interior of any bathroom. The result is an unusual aesthetic shower that keeps water from spilling all over the room. The demand for carbon fiber is growing every day. It's actively used in construction, particularly for reinforcing various elements, from wooden beams to supports on bridges and in airports. Right now, you see a composite system reinforced with carbon fiber. Its use allows a building to withstand increased weight loads and makes the structure more resistant to earthquakes. The composite system can also improve the condition of the structure, hide damage, and even change its functions. The material itself is flexible, highly durable, and easy to install. It's also environmentally friendly and resistant to high temperatures and impacts. A garden office, an outbuilding, or any other structure in the yard can be made in less than a week. All you have to do is use this technology provided by a Belgian company. The stylish minimalist structures, ranging in size from 160 to 215 square feet, are assembled in a few simple steps. First, with the help of computer modeling, the customer is shown the project and can make any necessary adjustments. Once the design is approved, the details of the future building are manufactured in a special shop with CNC machines. At the same time, foundations are prepared on site and excavation work is carried out. Finally, when the modules are ready, they are packed, delivered, and assembled into the structure in 3 to 5 days. Since the work is done with wood, it doesn't need time to dry, which means that finishing work can begin immediately after the installation. We've talked about innovative technologies. Now let's move on to innovative materials, namely a facade cladding offered by a Czech company. These are lightweight, thin roof tiles made of natural materials that look fancy and natural, both on new and old buildings. The technical characteristics are remarkable. The tiles provide good thermal and noise insulation, while being durable and water and fireproof. The breathable material doesn't allow moisture to accumulate, prevents the formation of mold, moss, and fungi. At the same time, it's extremely easy to work with. Tiles are mounted on top of the metal supporting rails, under which you can additionally lay insulation. These special blocks from the same Czech company allow you to build garden fences of any height without the use of mortars. They have a unique shape, so they can be easily fastened together and retain their strength. Additionally, the structure is reinforced with anchors, soil, or gravel. In any case, the technology saves time, effort, and materials required for construction. In addition to fences, it's ideal for creating retaining walls and reinforcing unstable slopes. Waterproofing expansion joints and test joints can cause a lot of problems, but not if you use this expansion strip. It's a flexible, easy-to-use membrane that performs two functions at once. It expands and contracts, adapting to the joint, and at the same time, optimally protects it from water and dirt. The manufacturer offers a wide variety of membranes, so that they can be used in any project. They can be installed on asphalt, coal tar, and other materials.